ください。
Alright, before we jump into Rollo, I just want to say that even though it is a very simple cut, you want to keep in mind the hand motions are very important for the look and flow of the cut. So try to pay very close attention to that and learn it exactly as I teach it. You can add your own style and flow to it after you learn the baseline version here. So you're going to start out with just a middle grip up here, and that's going to allow you to slide the left hand down to a modified straddle grip. Now you're going to break downwards like so with the right hand. You can see this interlocking break right here. Keep in mind that this packet should be about 2/3 of the deck because we'll be splitting it again later. So we break this down, and we want to keep the left hand and this packet perfectly still, like so. Now we're going to be doing basically an assisted charlier. It will look like this. This packet breaks down, and then it clears space for that other packet to fall down. Break and clear. If you find that hard to do, I recommend that you also kind of move your hand forwards so that you have enough space here for that packet to fall down. Keep in mind that packet only moves when it has space to. It stays completely still otherwise, then just falls straight down. Then you bring this top packet back to the center, bring the hands close together, and you're going to break a packet like so, just a simple index break. Now you're going to do two things at the same time, really three things. The left hand is going to twist counterclockwise, twist clockwise like so, and you'll help by pinching with these fingers here so the packet does not fall down. Now the right hand is going to move this middle packet outwards, and you'll need to push down with the thumb and pull with the index on this middle packet to help with that. So keep the middle packet still as you twist the left hand and pull the middle packet outwards. You'll notice that this packet kind of rests on the middle finger as you do this. And there will come a point where you're basically pinching this packet between the thumb and index of the left hand. When that happens, let go with the index up here. This packet should be between the middle or the fourth finger and the thumb. And you're going to simply let this packet fall down like so. As you bring this packet over here, then just simply close. From the top, we start with the modified straddle grip and the middle grip. Then we break down with the right hand about 2/3 of the deck. We keep this packet still, and then we move this upwards, outwards, and forwards if you need that help, until that packet falls down like so. Now you bring this packet back to the center, and you're going to break just a simple packet like that, and your left hand is going to twist clockwise as your right hand strips out that middle packet. Now keep in mind you want these two packets to be close together. You don't want to have a huge break here. You want to keep it cohesive, so keep the edges of these two packets together as it goes down and then closes. So that's Rollo. Have fun with it, mess around with it, and definitely experiment with the flow once you have the original flow down.